Ever feel like the keto diet is as exciting as watching paint dry? You're not alone. Let's face it, nobody wants their daily meals to be as predictable as summer rain in London. It's too easy to fall into the trap of rotating the same 4 meals week in, week out, just because they fit your macros. But hey, who says your keto life has to be a tasteless affair? Sure, the keto diet has its rules, but last time we checked, none of them stated that you have to eat the same thing every day. The idea that keto is monotonous is a common misconception. Variety, my friends, isn't just the spice of life, it's the key to a sustainable and enjoyable keto lifestyle. So, if you're tired of the same old chicken and broccoli, put down that fork and listen up. But hold on to your bacon, folks, because we're about to add some spice to your keto life. Ever find yourself stuck in a keto rut, eating the same old dishes day in, day out? It's like a culinary version of Groundhog Day, isn't it? You wake up, cook up some bacon and eggs, and by the time dinner rolls around, you're back to the same old grilled chicken and broccoli. Rinse and repeat. Trust me, we've all been there. And while some might argue that consistency is key, in the world of keto, it can also be your downfall. You see, one of the most common mistakes keto dieters make is a lack of meal variety. Sure, it's easy to stick to your tried and true favorites, but over time, this can lead to a phenomenon I like to call keto monotony. Keto monotony is when you're so bored with your meals that you'd rather eat a cardboard box than another plate of bacon and eggs. It's when the thought of another piece of grilled chicken makes you consider going rogue and raiding the nearest bakery. It's when you start to dream of a life beyond the cheese and meat, where fruits and grains roam free. Sound familiar? Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing inherently bad about eating the same meals over and over. But in the long run, it can lead to nutrient deficiencies, food boredom, and ultimately, the dreaded keto burnout. And let's face it, no one wants to be the person at the party who's eyeing the carrot sticks with a look of longing. But here's the good news. Breaking free from keto monotony is easier than you think. With a little creativity and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone, you can turn your keto diet from a repetitive routine into a flavorful journey. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice your carb count to do it. So how do we break out of this keto Groundhog Day? Let's dive in. Who said vegetables are boring? They just haven't met the right ones yet. Now let's delve into the colorful world of leafy greens, crunchy roots, and vibrant bell peppers. And hey, while we're at it, why not sprinkle in some tantalizing spices to jazz things up a notch? Often people tend to stick to a handful of familiar veggies. You know them: broccoli, spinach, lettuce, the usual suspects. But there's a whole world of underappreciated vegetables just waiting to be invited to your dinner table. Ever tried jicama? It's a crunchy, slightly sweet root vegetable that's perfect for a keto-friendly snack. Or how about bok choy? This Asian green is great for stir-fries and packs a nutritional punch. Now let's talk spices. You may be accustomed to salt and pepper, but there's a whole universe of flavor out there. Have you ever tried smoked paprika on your grilled veggies? It's a total game changer, and don't get me started on turmeric. This golden spice not only adds a warm, earthy flavor, but it's also packed with health benefits. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of star anise? This little gem can make your soups and stews taste like they've been simmering for hours. Or what about cardamom? This aromatic spice can bring a hint of sweetness to your savory dishes. Mixing and matching different vegetables and spices can turn your meals into a culinary adventure. One day you could be savoring a hearty Italian zucchini soup spiced with basil and oregano. And the next you could be enjoying a spicy Thai curry packed with eggplant and kaffir lime leaves. So don't be afraid to break out of your comfort zone. Try that odd-looking vegetable in the produce aisle. Experiment with that exotic spice you've been curious about. Remember, variety isn't just the spice of life, it's the spice of a successful keto diet. See, vegetables are not just for rabbits. With a little creativity and a dash of daring, you can turn your keto meals from monotonous to mouth-watering. Now let's move on to some exciting protein sources. Stay tuned. Tired of chicken? Well, it's time to spread your wings and fly to new protein sources. Now I know what you're thinking, not another egg. But hold on to your egg beaters, we're going beyond the usual suspects here. First up, we're diving into the sea. Fish and shellfish are not only packed with protein, but they're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines, clams, mussels, the list goes on. Each one offers a unique flavor profile to shake up your keto meals. And no, you don't need to be a master sushi chef to enjoy them. Grilled, baked, steamed, or pan-seared, there's a sea of possibilities. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about grass-fed meats. These aren't your average cuts of beef. They're leaner, richer in flavor, and packed with beneficial fats. From ribeye steak to ground beef, there's a cut for every occasion. And let's not forget the equally delicious lamb and bison. It's like a safari on your dinner plate. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate cheese. With umpteen varieties, each with its own distinct flavor and texture, cheese is a protein-packed superstar. Whether it's feta crumbled over a Greek salad or mozzarella melted over zucchini boats, cheese is the ultimate keto chameleon. And finally, the unsung hero of the protein world, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, these little powerhouses are packed with protein and healthy fats. They're perfect for a quick snack, or to add some crunch to your salads and stir-fries. But remember, variety is the key. Don't get stuck on one source. Mix it up, keep it fun, and your taste buds will thank you. So step out of your comfort zone, try something new. You might just find a new favorite. So next time you're at the grocery store, remember there's a world of protein beyond the chicken aisle. Now that we've ventured into the wild world of vegetables and spices, and dabbled our toes in the refreshing streams of protein diversity, let's tie it all together. Think of your kitchen as a grand stage, and you, my friend, are the star of the show, the master chef. You're not just cooking up meals, you're creating edible masterpieces, each one a tantalizing symphony of flavors. So let's get that chef's hat on and dive into the world of culinary creativity. There's a common misconception that the keto diet is all about bacon and eggs for breakfast, grilled chicken for lunch, and steak for dinner. But oh, how they've underestimated us. We're not just dieting, we're embarking on a gastronomic adventure. Let's take a moment to appreciate the humble cauliflower. Boiled or steamed, it may not win any flavor contests, but toss it in some olive oil, sprinkle some turmeric, and roast it. You've got yourself a golden, crispy delight that'll make your taste buds sing. And don't even get me started on proteins. Who knew that the world of keto-friendly proteins extended beyond the realm of chicken, beef, and fish? Have you ever tried tempeh or tofu? Marinated and grilled, they can be a game changer. Or how about some shellfish for dinner? Scallops, mussels, clams, they're all high in protein and oh so delicious. The key here is to mix and match. Pair that roasted cauliflower with some grilled tofu, throw in a handful of spinach, sprinkle some chia seeds, and voila! You've got yourself a meal that's as diverse as it is delectable. And remember, spices are your best friends. They can turn the most mundane of meals into a feast fit for a king. So don't be shy. Experiment with different combinations, and who knows, you might just stumble upon your new favorite flavor. So let's bust the myth, shall we? The keto diet is not a monotonous march towards weight loss. It's a flavorful journey, a celebration of food in all its glorious variety. Who said variety isn't keto-friendly? With these tips, you'll be a keto gourmet in no time. So there you have it, folks. The keto diet doesn't have to be a culinary snooze fest. We've debunked the myth that this diet is all about eating the same old broccoli and chicken every day. With a pinch of creativity and a dash of adventure, your keto meals can take you on a flavorful journey around the world. Remember those lesser-known vegetables and exotic spices we talked about? They're your ticket to turning your meals from monotonous to mouth-watering. And let's not forget the world of protein beyond the usual suspects. Ever thought about incorporating octopus or bison into your diet? There's a first time for everything. At the end of the day, variety is the spice of life, and this holds true for your keto diet too. The more diverse your meals, the more likely you are to stick to this lifestyle and reap its benefits. Remember, the keto diet is not a punishment, it's a journey. So let's make it a tasty one. Don't forget to subscribe for more juicy keto tips. Until next time, keep it keto and keep it tasty. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on how to spice up your keto diet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly exploring new and exciting ways to keep your keto journey flavorful and fun. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll never miss out on our latest keto diet tips and tricks. And if you want to be the first to know when we drop a new video, make sure to turn on your notifications. We understand how challenging it can be to stick to a diet, especially when it seems like you're eating the same thing over and over again. But remember, the keto diet is more than just a way to lose weight, it's a lifestyle. And just like any lifestyle, you have the power to make it as exciting or as bland as you want. So why not choose exciting? Thanks for watching. And remember, variety is the spice of life, even on a keto diet. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep it keto.